Hello everyone, myself Pahul Preet Kaur and he is my co-speaker in this podcast, Vishwdeep Singh. Welcome to today's podcast where we dive into the world of taxes, a burden in itself, which we all try to avoid. But it is as essential as सुबह की चाय. कर चुकाना हमें लगता है बोझ, पर एक बेहतर समाज की है ये खोज. देश को विकसित और सशक्त करने के लिए कर चुकाना है जरूरी आगे बढ़ने के लिए.
Thanks, Pahul. Paying taxes is the mainstay of civilization since ancient times. Sir James Wilson ने 1860 में टैक्स को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. Paying tax to the government is very important. If we will not pay the tax, government will not be able to fulfill their basic responsibilities like national defense, healthcare, education, and many more. So paying the tax is not a punishment; it's our responsibility towards the nation.
Yes, I agree. Taxes are crucial for funding public services. India's infrastructure spending is expected to reach 100 lakh crore by 2025, largely funded by tax revenues. So to attain 100% of literacy and to provide cheap medical services to every citizen of a true nation, taxes are required.
Yes, being a citizen, it's our responsibility to contribute in country's development as per our earnings. That's why there were several tax reforms in India with change in time. The main tax structure of India is divided into two types, direct and indirect tax. The burden of direct tax cannot be shifted. Income tax, property tax, corporative tax are the direct taxes. Like your income, your tax, my property, my tax. On the other hand, the burden of indirect tax can be shifted. Like goods and services tax. लगाती तो सरकार प्रोड्यूसर्स पे है, पर उसे पे हम करते हैं. So Pahul, what changes have you seen in last few decades?
The scenario can be clarified with facts. After globalization, tax collection was increased to about 11 to 14 lakh crores.
Globalization से तो tax evasion में भी कमी आई है. The tax evasion rate was as high as 30 to 40%, but after globalization, it reduced to 20 to 30%. All thanks to technology and improved tax structure. GST has also played a major role in reducing tax evasion. But I have one question. What will happen if everyone stops paying taxes?
Nothing much initially, but slowly changes will happen. Worn out roads would not get repaired. No more availability of cheap and quality treatment. 100% literacy will be unachievable. And protection of our borders will be put on question mark. A castle cannot be built without brick and cement. Economic inequalities will be at its peak and there will be few Rajas and a lot of Prajas. Make in India will become just a dream.
But in my opinion, इस dream को पूरा करने के लिए tax education is must. The best way to teach a kid about taxation is by eating up 30% of his ice cream. About 1/4 of India's population is below 15 years. They are our future taxpayers. The tax education will change the behavior of a taxpayer and they will consider it as their responsibility towards the nation. Secondly, informal sector के high income earners को tax bracket में लेकर आना भी जरूरी है. Like हमारे वहाँ एक कुलचे वाला है जो हर महीने लाखों का टैक्स भरता है. अगर हम होम मेकर्स को भी वर्कर्स माने तो टैक्स पेयर्स डबल हो जाएंगे.
Yes, you are right. We cannot compete with Dubai, but we can take the example of Japan.
I think modern nation के लिए taxation is a fundamental component. There are 4 R's of taxes: revenue to fund public services, redistribution to curb inequalities, repricing to limit tobacco consumption and carbon emission, representation to build healthier democratic nation. So can you escape taxation?
No. In this world, nothing can be said to be certain except death and taxes.
So let's sum up. करों का बोझ उठाना हम सबकी जिम्मेदारी है. देश के हर नागरिक की इसमें हिस्सेदारी है.
सड़कें, अस्पताल और पाठशालाएं करों से ही तैयार होते हैं. देश को बेहतर बनाने के सपने करों से ही साकार होते हैं. थैंक यू.